Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we have the all new Mobiistar XQ Dual with us. So Mobiistar is a new brand which has been launched in India. This is a Vietnamese brand and it has come up with its new handset known as XQ Dual in India. This is how it looks like. So Mobiistar's XQ Dual is from their Selfie Star range. One of the best features of this phone is its dual selfie camera. It has been launched in a super affordable range in India with very nice specs. In this video, we'll see the unboxing of Mobiistar XQ Dual. So this is Mobiistar XQ Dual in front of you guys, and this is a Vietnamese brand, quite successful in Vietnam, and now it is coming to India with its XQ Dual phone, which is in its Selfie Star range. So here the highlight of the phone is 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel front camera setup, and a few more highlights like a 120-degree wide angle, fingerprint sensor, and 3 GB plus 32 GB memory setup. Let's unbox the phone. So on the top you get the phone. We'll come back to it in a while. Let's see what are the other contents in the box quickly. So in the small box you get a TPU cover, and also the quick start guide. Other contents are the micro USB cable and the SIM tray ejecting tool, the charging adapter, which is 5 volt plus 1.5 ampere. Let's check out the phone. Okay, the first look of the phone looks quite impressive, because we have to keep that in mind that it has been launched in the affordable segment category. So according to that, the phone looks very nice and premium to look at. All these golden linings are giving a very nice classy look to it. If you see the hardware of it, so it has this 13 plus 8 megapixel front camera setup, earpiece, flash, and the shortcut keys are above the screen, not in the inside display. So that's why the bezels, the top and the bottom bezels are like thick, and the side bezels are slim. The feel of the phone is sturdy, although it is back is smooth. So on the right side you have this power button, which has this golden lining, and there's a SIM slot. Let's open the SIM slot and see what it has to offer. So here you get a normal hybrid SIM slot in which you can put dual nano SIMs or one nano SIM and one SD card. On the left side you have the volume rocker, again the golden linings there, and the bottom, if we see, we have this dual speaker grill, micro USB charging port. On the top there's this 3.5mm audio jack with this mic. It's if we talk about the screen, it's a 5.5-inch full HD IPS display with a 400 ppi pixel density, and it also has Asahi Dragon Tail 2.5D glass protection, 1080 by 1920 pixels. Let's see the viewing angles. Viewing angles are okay, no issues with that. Talk about the apps. You see this Flipkart placed very in the front. So this will be available on Flipkart, so it's already pre-installed here. Other than that, I don't see much of bloatware as such. normal Google Android apps. Let's go to the settings and see software part. The model is XQ Dual. It runs on Android version 7.1.2, UI version v3.0. So it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor coupled with Adreno 505 GPU. So the storage is 32 GB, from which in a new device 5.83 GB is used. That's pretty okay. And the memory part is 3 GB, from which 1.3 GB is already used here. So the back camera is a 13 megapixel setup with a f2.0 aperture and a dual tone LED flash. It also has PDEF, that means face detection autofocus. It's pretty nice. The modes here are video, photo and face beauty. So in this, the face beauty is very nice. It has 7 levels of face beauty adjustment, and you can do a lot of settings, and in which you can do manual settings of buffing, whitening, enlarging and slimming. On the left you see this flash option, some pre-installed filters and timer and additional settings. There's a lot of additional settings which you can do. Banding, continuous, shots, white balance, and also you get this pro mode in which you get this slider to do a lot of adjustments in the ISO, white balance and all. Just turn on the front camera. So this phone is a selfie star. It has a 13 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual selfie setup. So you can see how much good detailing it is capturing. Nice light capture, also very real, not making it like artificial kind of stuff. In beauty also you get many options in the manual mode, and other than that you have this beauty slider till 7 levels. Here you get the flash. This is in the night. Also you can click very good selfies, and timer and additional settings. We have a lot of additional settings. The front camera also, you can also adjust the ISO, red eye, white balance. So which is a very good thing. And not to be missed out is the most important, this wide angle mode. So you can see how much area it is capturing around me, 120-degree wide angle. So you can take very nice group selfies and all, and just see the difference between a normal selfie and the wide angle selfie. So overall the phone looks very impressive in this price range of 7,999. It is super affordable. So this was the first look of Mobiistar XQ Dual. It has been launched at a price range of 7,999 and is available on Flipkart. This is it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.